It is Angela, your favorite life insurance agent. So, listen, y'all, I know that I was looking at my YouTube channel today and I was like, I have not made a video since October 2023, and today is July 2025. And I'm like, you know what? I just been feeling my spirit. My gut has been telling me you need to get on YouTube and spill the insurance tea, honey. So I said, you know what? I am definitely going to be more consistent on getting on here and talking to you guys. So you can definitely, I'm going to give y'all a little overview before I get into our topic today, which is going to be 3 secrets that they don't want us to know, y'all, about life insurance. But let me give y'all a little intro to myself again, because I know it's been a while, and what you guys can definitely expect from being on this channel. So, I am a Christian mom to a very busy 7-year-old and a wife working hard to really protect what matters the most. And today, and each time I make a video, just know y'all, I'm going to be spilling the real tea about life insurance. Hence is why I have changed the name of this channel to Angela Spills the Life Insurance Tea. Okay? Because that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. So today I'm going to really be spilling some tea about life insurance, and I want to talk to you guys about the stuff they don't always tell you. So y'all listen. I'm still getting new. I'm new to these YouTube streets. I've only did like one for real video, and that was like years ago, and I don't even know if that was a for real video or not. But it did have for real information. So go ahead, make sure y'all like this video. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Share this video with somebody that you know and love so that they can get the life insurance tea as well. Okay. So here goes the first secret today about life insurance. Life insurance isn't just for after you pass away. That is something that for years, I believe that life insurance was only for when you pass away or you're not here. But I realize that that is actually not true at all. Did you know that life insurance can actually help you while you're still alive? Yes, like some policies can actually be used to help you do things like pay your bills, any debt, even unexpected medical bills, or start a business, go on vacation. You get to choose what you do with the money inside of your life insurance policy while you're alive. You don't owe anybody an explanation. And that is because life insurance is not just a death benefit. It actually can provide a peace of mind in another stream of income right now for people. It can even be used for retirement income as well. So that is a game changer for your family, my family, anybody's family to know that. And that is the first secret that I'm revealing today. Now, you might be wondering, okay, Angela, if this is your first time kind of hearing this, like, how come this is not talked about? Well, the reason this is just an assumption. I don't know, but this is just an assumption. I feel that it might not be talked about because if we have policies that are growing cash value and you don't use the cash value while you're alive, that cash value, y'all, is a living benefit. That means it can only be used while you are still here. So, in the event that God forbid you pass away, right? That living benefit, that cash value that's built up, it just goes back to the life insurance company. So I'm not saying that's the reason why we don't know, but my assumption is, well, if people don't know, then that living benefit can just go back to the company, right? Um, that's just my assumption. Y'all let me know in the comments too, like why y'all think we don't know that. I don't know what y'all think. Now, not every type of life insurance policy, before we move on to secret number 2, can do this. It has to either be a whole life policy or an IUL policy. Those are the only two life insurance policies that can build that type of cash value. Okay. And check out my other video called Life Insurance 101, the first one I told y'all I made back in 2023, to get more details on what those two policies are, the whole life and the IUL. So yeah, that's the first secret, y'all. So now let's move on to secret number 2. This is about kid policies. So to all my parents or grandparents out there, check this out. Kid policies are an investment. Y'all gonna understand what I mean by this in a second. It is not just a safety net for when they pass away, right? So number 2 is all about kid life insurance policies. This is the second secret. Kid life insurance policies is so much more than just protection if the child passes away, to make sure you guys aren't burdened with those burial expenses. These policies, for starters, let's just say this, they are super affordable. You can get a child's life insurance policy for as low as $1 to $2 a month. Okay, it is less than the cost of daily coffee or even a one-time cup of coffee, right? So the cool part about it is it also builds cash value. If you get a children's whole life policy, it's going to build cash value over time, right? So that by the time your child turns 18 to 21, now this is where the investment part comes in. You can basically pull that money out and use it to help your kid go to college, get their first car, get their first apartment, which ultimately gives them a head start to life. They start getting their finances together at an early age with something that they already need anyway, and that's life insurance. And that saves you money, parents, because that keeps them out of your pockets. I'm actually doing a free class on Zoom about this tomorrow, which is going to be July the 26th at 10 a.m. Central Time. So I don't know when you're going to happen to land across this video, but whenever you land across this video, if you want the replay to that, just comment on this video so I can get you the replay. But I'm going to be diving into kids' life insurance policies. So y'all, check that out. They got life insurance that lasts for their whole life at that rate. And by the time they get to an age where they're going to have a lot of things they're needing, right? Like college and all that, you can use the life insurance policy to pay for that. And they still have their death benefit. Y'all, this is how we break generational curses and build generational wealth. That's amazing. So that's the second secret. Don't sleep on kids' life insurance policies. And I need to do a video on that soon. Depending on when you're watching it, I may have one by then. All right, so secret number 3, which is the last secret for today, is life insurance can help pay for things like vacation and education. And I actually kind of talked about this a little bit earlier, but I really wanted to dive deeper into it. So life insurance can be used in ways that most people, even myself at one point, we don't realize. It can, like I said before, pay for college, cover family vacations, and even replace income if something unexpected happens, like someone passes away. That's unfortunate. Who has $10,000 to $15,000 to come out of pocket for that and grieve? And depending on if that's the main breadwinner, life insurance can be that income replacement. I had a therapist who had a friend this was really sad, y'all, really sad. Her husband passed when she had her twins. They had just had twins, and he was the main breadwinner. But that lady was not able, she did not have to work for 5 years, was able to finish school, keep up with their bills and keep their house, and keep her twins in daycare, all because her husband left her a life insurance policy. So that's what I mean by income replacement. That's an example. So it's really just about protecting your peace, your people, and your pocket so you don't lose the things that you're working so hard to build. So that is a little taste of the life insurance secrets that most people don't hear about. And I didn't hear about it till I started studying for myself. I still don't hear about it. except through myself, right? And now I follow other people that kind of talk about it too. But if you want to learn more about this or have questions to know what fits your family, just know I'm here for you, okay? And you can drop a comment below or book a call with me. I have my links here and I would love to chat. The links are in my bio. I have one to get a free quote, to book a call with me, and also my website, which has information. But thank y'all for hanging with me today. My goal is to make videos for now quick so you guys can just kind of get the tea, get the nuggets, and have them and move about your day. But don't forget to subscribe if you want more real talk on protecting your legacy. And out of these 3 secrets, y'all, what secret shocked you the most? Let me know in the comments and I'll answer too. I think the one that shocked me the most was just the idea of cash value. I always thought of life insurance as just for burial. I didn't realize I could use it while I'm still here. How cool is that, y'all? But, anyways, talk soon and don't forget to subscribe to Angela Spills, the Life Insurance Tea. Bye for now.